told me specifically, don't vlog while I'm driving. So here I am, vlogging while.
But guys, and then I slowly show him that, oh, this is sometimes we eat like this.
Good morning, Philippines! Morning, guys. We're on our way to pick up Marianne's friend Brenda. We're head down to meet the other people so they can head out to the Jersey Shore. They're gonna be the Jersey Shore girls. So they got a good day for it. Supposedly, maybe get a speck of rain, maybe.
Really?
We haven't had any rain in like a freaking month, so.
Yeah, but in Jersey rain, nothing. Maybe here.
Yeah, I don't know. Either way, if we get rain, it'll be next to nothing.
So, yun guys.
But it'll be a beautiful day, 85, so you're not in a deadly heat at least. Will be the high for today. And on the Jersey Shore, it'll be cooler than that because you got that nice breeze off the ocean. So they should all around, they should have a nice day.
Anyway guys, so I'm going with my friends and this is Tommy's vlog and that's it. He's alone. I will leave him.
Yeah, not much alone. My cousin's gonna take a ride up later. He figured, hey, his wife went to the Philippines for a couple of weeks and Marianne's away for a day. He figured he'll take a ride up and hang out for the day. We'll do dinner and stuff like that.
Sila lang dalawa guys, while the wife is away.
Yeah, that's what guys do when they get old. While the wife's away, they get together and watch football games.
Yeah, you don't like football games.
I actually do like football games, but I don't get in the habit of watching them. To me, they're only fun to watch when you're with a bunch of guys. You're by yourself, it's just a waste of energy. What's up, guys? It's what time is it? Let's see. It's about 8 o'clock at night. I'm headed to pick my wife up. According to her, they should be back in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go pick up her and Brenda. See how they enjoyed their day at the shore. Didn't do much vlogging, walking from the house with my cousin over, but honestly, between cooking, getting things ready, and taking care of the animals, I didn't have time to do. I'm lucky I had time to get dinner together. But what can I say? So, and she told me specifically, don't vlog while I'm driving. So here I am, vlogging while I'm driving. But it's all good. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys.
And I am home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Nag-enjoy naman kami. Anyway, bye guys. Good night. Good morning, guys. So, and yesterday, han, my forehead is peeling, han, in between my eyebrow.
That happens.
Huh?
That happens.
But only that, nothing else.
Okay.
I get so dark, my legs.
Maybe because your hair color is so lighter than other things.
Seriously.
Seriously.
So guys, pamaol guys. Sumakit yung katawan ko. My back, my shoulder. After playing sa sa wave. And this is bad, honey. You think this is bad?
I don't know.
Wait, how do I know?
Taste it. I'm gonna go taste it. It lasts a long time, so I'm guessing it's not bad, but I just put regular milk.
I know, but I wanna finish this and get rid of it.
Okay.
July.
I'm sure it's fine.
It looks good still, so. I'm gonna throw this out now. It's very little, okay? Hi guys, before natin kainin yung ating ulam na ito, oh diba? And this one, oh my god guys, the shrimp paste guys. Woohoo, woohoo. The best guys. Kainin muna natin kami made this one. This is the piasol. Pasta puzzle. So Tammy made this one. Try muna natin bago tayo kakain ng rice. Because guys, Tammy get like upset if you don't wanna try, you know what he cooked. Get insulted. Guys, good done. Why you say this not good?
I said it came up better.
You overloaded with cheese oil. You overloaded it.
So mix it.
I did.
Let's not mix it.
Look, you put too much oil. What kind of meat do you put here?
Sausage.
I told you I don't eat sausage.
You do.
It's good, guys. I like the other one better. You know why? Too much spice. The first one you made, the last one.
Sprinkle crushed pepper. That's all. You know.
This is very like the one that's so spicy. He made it spicy.
Can we get crushed pepper? Put a little in it.
Ruin it. So, kainan na natin ito, guys. Continuation. I almost, well, it's a very little left from what Tammy gave me, look. If I eat a lot, well, I eat a lot already. I'm already full. But I have to eat what I eat here. The rice and the chicken. And, of course, this one, gulay, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Masarap kasi ito. And Tammy, you know what, my husband? He doesn't want to eat shrimp paste. But that's why I don't put the shrimp paste direct sa ano, gulay. That he can, you know. This is what you do. Ano lang siya, guys. I-spread ko lang siya dito sa ano. Sa... Can I use my hand?
Go ahead.
I wash my hand, guys. Oh my ang sarap. Yung alamang, guys, grabe. Yung kamayan na bagoong, ang harap. Grabe. Bagoong. Ang sarap. At saka meron tayong chicken adobo. Ang sarap. Of course, my husband's giving the dog.
That's the cat. He just walk away.
You walk away?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's spoiled oil.
I can give you from the table no more. You keep walking away now. Well, you're not good enough.
Sarap, guys.
Yes, you too.
Sarap nito. Han, shrimp paste and this on. When I first met my husband, ilang years,
All right, you're done.
ilang years ako na hindi na ganito. And then I slowly show him that some Filipino, not all ha, because mostly Filipino love to eat the ano, using hand. But when I first met him, few years, like I don't show him that, you know, like this, because I was afraid he might run away. But guys, and then I slowly show him that, oh, this is sometimes we eat like this, and he looks like, he looks at me like weird. But kain tayo. May kausap na.
Hello. Hello.
Hey,
What's up, kiddos?
not what's going on?
Yeah, same old crap.
Alrighty.
So you got some good news. What other tests got to come back?
I go for
Bye, guys.